Hello guys, this is a project report on mini project, that is the mobile application app development on story app development. The first and the foremost is the covering sheet of the project report has to be shown. Then the certificate of our project. Then the acknowledgement. Acknowledgement means the guide, the teacher who has guided us to do this project. So it has to be shown in this acknowledgement sheet. The next comes the abstract, like what is the summary of a project has to be shown in this abstract. The next is the table of contents. The table of contents is the most important thing in a project report. Basically it shows our introduction, what are the objectives of a project, what are the features of a project, how we have implemented this project. As this is a computer science project, so the code has to be shown in the project report, and what is the outcome. Outcome means the output, and what are the figures, the table contents, all has to be shown. The next, what is the conclusion of a project, and the references. References means the bibliography from where we have extracted this project contents. The next is our introduction of our project, the objectives of our project, the features of our Android Story app development, the project implementation, the code. The code of a project also has to be shown in a project report. Then the output of our code project report. See, in the figures what we add in our project report, we must make sure that the figure or the captions is clearly mentioned so that it will highlight our project. Then the conclusion of our project. Overall, from this project, what we understood, that has to be mentioned here. And even this future enhancement, actually it's optional, but still we can give, like this project where on all it is applicable in the near future. So in the real world applications, where can we handle this projects, it can be shown over here. And this is the references, like some of the contents fully we cannot write on our own, so some of the contents will take from the other Google websites. So these are the some of the contents that I have mentioned. So this is the overall project report. See, if you want to make a project report to look more clear and legible and more beautiful, we must make sure some of the key points, that this table borders, the page borders, it has to be clearly mentioned. The line spacing, the line spacing is very important. Then all these diagrams, these figures has to be centrally pointed. Then we must make sure that whatever the text contents we enter into this page, we must make sure that we have justified the content. So this justification is very important. Our indentations, what we write, it's all important. So overall, the 5 major key points that in this project report is: first is the page borders has to be clearly mentioned. The next, we need to justify the contents. The line spacing 1.5, it has to be clearly mentioned. Next, the headings has to be centrally written and it has to be underlined. So this is the key major point, and some of the points can be highlighted. So this is very important, and most important thing is, even we have to put the page number at the right hand side corner. It looks more good. So this project report we can do in WPS Office or Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel also. I would suggest better you do in Microsoft Word. So this is overall the project report that we have made on the mobile application development, that is a mini project report on a story app development. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.